To the New York Stock Exchange, Jim Cramer joins us now. I've been seeing you with some interesting tweets today, Jim. Some short squeezes, some Best Buy, some other things you're noticing in the markets could get interesting.
People just felt that Best Buy, because it's discretionary, would be bad. They underestimated Corey Barry. People felt that Dick's, you don't need sporting goods. That's wrong. They underestimated that team. It really becomes one of these situations where some managers are better than others. Now, A&F was just given up for dead, so that can bounce. Yesterday, we had Urban Outfitters, another given up for dead. That can bounce. So the overall tone of retail is the exact opposite of tech, which is disaster, continues to be disastrous. So I don't know. I mean, like the idea that all these short squeezes could occur in retail could make the session a nice pre-Thanksgiving session.
Fascinating global things that happening. China, I see your tweets about what needs to be done there. I don't know.
You know what? Look, they've reverse engineered the Pfizer vaccine, the mRNA vaccine. They have it. I do not understand why they won't give it to everybody. I mean, Xi is president for life. He's incredibly strong. He could certainly just wake up tomorrow and give 1.4. They have the ability to produce 1.4 billion vaccines. So I don't know how much longer this lockdown nonsense is going to continue, because it's really up to him. And I think that the 3 deaths number, I question that, given the fact that we've had multiple hundreds of deaths every day, even though we're pretty vaccinated. So I think it's their time to recognize that if they want to be a great power, they have to start helping people again.
Can you figure out
other than Russia?
Yeah. Can you figure out what's happening with crude, and what do you think?
Yeah, well, we had an expiration. We had a futures expiration yesterday. It's been historically volatile. When we have the futures expiration, now it's behind us. Seasonally, we're in a very strong period for crude, so we should be able to rally maybe to mid-December.
And you think OPEC? I just was talking to the White House guy on oil production. Do you think the Saudis like us more because we said MBS has got sovereign immunity on that lawsuit? No.
And like the idea that the Saudis pumping more, I mean, I thought that was put out by people who wanted to cover the short squeeze.
Really?
I don't think, I mean, I actually met with some of the people who are involved with this from Saudi Arabia, and they're anxious to be able to prove that they're loyal to America without having to cut oil.
Right. Exactly.
By mentioning the fact that they've been our allies for about 50 years, which is true.
When you say you're helping, you're on Russia's side, I think, I don't know. They don't like that.
I agree.
I don't think. Yeah.
No, I agree. But look, it's a seasonally strong period, but I just don't trust. I don't trust software enterprise. Yeah. Enterprise software is so horrible. The Zoom call last night was so horrible. I mean, it was really bad. The Dell call was really bad.
Actually, yeah, right now.
But with Kelly? I love Kelly, but Kelly was more negative than I would have been. I mean, it was basically that the enterprise business can't make it up for the consumer business. Actually, the consumer business is bad. The enterprise business is bad. I think that you can talk to her and get the straight dope about when it's going to come back. They do have a lot of cash. They can do something, and they must do something.
All right.